How to create new account in Clash of Clans. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the source icon. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar and type COC. Now click on search and tap on install. Now wait for some time. Now click on play. Now enter your date. Now enter your age and simply tap on OK. Tap on OK. After completing in-game tutorial, simply tap on the settings icon. Now click on Supercell ID. Now tap on continue. Now enter your email address. Now tap on OK and click. Now enter the code from your email and your account will be created. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.